Guys, I'm back. 9057 Mitcham Street, Shreveport. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,689 square foot. Home was built in 2012. Is nested in a gated community in South Shreveport called Cottage Ridge. Can't wait for you to check this one out. Welcome to a home that truly checks all of the boxes: style, functionality, and a layout that just makes sense for everyday living. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the attention to detail, from the crown molding to the elevated ceilings and the rich flooring that runs throughout the main living spaces. This is where the home really comes to life. You've got a beautiful brick fireplace anchoring the space, and what I love is how it opens up to these large windows that are overlooking the backyard, bringing in natural light and making the entire space feel open and connected. This is where you're hosting, relaxing, or just enjoying a quiet evening at home. Right off the living area is your dedicated dining space, perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests, and it flows seamlessly into the kitchen, which is exactly what today's buyers are looking for. This kitchen is a standout. You've got granite counters, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and this wraparound bar that creates the perfect gathering space. Whether you're cooking, hosting, or just having coffee in the morning, this is where everyone naturally gravitates together. And you still maintain full sight lines into the living room and the backyard, which is huge for both entertaining and everyday life. One of the things I really appreciate about this layout is how functional it is. You've got a dedicated laundry space and practical flow that makes day-to-day living easy, something you don't always see done this well. On this side of the home, you've got well-sized secondary bedrooms, great natural light, clean finishes, and plenty of space, whether you're using it as a bedroom, an office, or a flex space. And a full secondary bathroom with granite counters, updated fixtures, and a clean, functional layout. Now let's step into the primary suite. And this is exactly what you want at the end of a long day. You've got the tray ceiling detail, great natural light, and a layout that gives you both comfort and privacy. The ensuite bath is spacious and well thought out. Dual vanities, plenty of counter space, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. Everything you need without compromise. And it's got solid closet space to match. And then stepping out back, you've got a private backyard space. It's perfect for relaxing, grilling, or just enjoying a little peace and quiet. This home really hits that sweet spot. It's move-in ready, it's thoughtfully designed, and it's built for both everyday living and entertaining. If you've been waiting for something that feels right the moment you walk in, this is one you don't want to miss. Guys, what do I love about this one? Number one, the gated community. The security and privacy of that is just a great thing to have. Number two, the natural light and the open layout. It just feels good in here from the moment you walk in. Number three, and this is huge, this home qualifies for USDA 0% down financing. 0% down. That means more people can actually get into this home. That's a big deal. Number four, no rear neighbors. That means you've got a peaceful backyard that actually feels like yours. It's nothing but woods and forest behind you. Lastly, number five, the price point on this one just makes sense for what you're getting. Incredible value. Guys, thanks for touring 9057 Mitcham Street, South Shreveport. If you have questions about this property, if you want to check it out, call us, text us 318-286-5511. Check us out on the web, Lytle.com, or go to our YouTube channel. We always have the latest and greatest in our market coming available. Thank you.